Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to change the brightness level on our Samsung Smart TV. We can do this using two methods. So let's check it out. We are using the 2020 Samsung Smart TV model. The interface will be a bit different for the latest ones, but the steps could be more or less the same. Sometimes when we are using our TV at night, the default brightness will be uncomfortable for our eyes. In such cases, it's good to change the brightness level on our TV. We have two ways to actually do this. We will share them one by one. The first method is by changing the picture mode. We have several picture modes on our Samsung Smart TV. We can go to settings and then go to this picture mode here. Right now it is in dynamic. We can go to standard, natural, movie and filmmaker mode. We can change the ones we want. Here movie and filmmaker mode makes the screen more dark. We can switch off the light and pick the one which is comfortable for us at night. The second method is by directly changing the brightness level. We can go to settings, select this, and then we can go to picture, and here we can go to export settings, select that. And here we have the options like brightness, contrast, sharpness, etc. We can select the brightness level here and we can decrease the value. As we reduce the value, the screen becomes dark. The brightness level is reduced. So we can adjust the value we want and we can watch anything on the TV. That's all. We have this game trailer on the screen and we will change the brightness level one by one to see how it looks. We will change the brightness. As you can see, it is getting a bit dark. And this is how it will be on zero brightness. So yeah, and if we want to get back to the default picture settings, we can go down here and we can reset the picture to get back to the default options. These are the steps to change the brightness level on our Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.